How to get your money out of Acorn. Have you ever wanted to get your money out of Acorn? If so, you're not alone. Acorn is a great app for saving money, but sometimes you may need to access your funds. In this video, I'll show you how to get your money out of Acorn. Introduction. I'm so excited to be talking to you today about how to get your money out of Acorn. Acorn is a great app for saving money, but sometimes you may need to access your funds. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. I'll also cover some other important topics, such as: what are the different ways to get your money out of Acorn? How long does it take to get your money out of Acorn? What are the fees associated with getting your money out of Acorn? Body. How to get your money out of Acorn. There are a few different ways to get your money out of Acorn. The easiest way is to transfer your money to your bank account. To do this, simply open the Acorn app and go to the Settings tab. Then, select Linked Accounts. From here, you can add your bank account. Once your bank account is linked, you can transfer money to it by selecting Withdraw. Another way to get your money out of Acorn is to use the Acorn debit card. This card can be used to make purchases anywhere that accepts Visa. You can also use it to withdraw cash from ATMs. If you need to get your money out of Acorn quickly, you can use the Express Withdrawal feature. This feature allows you to withdraw up to $500 from your Acorn account within 24 hours. How long does it take to get your money out of Acorn? The time it takes to get your money out of Acorn depends on the method you choose. If you transfer your money to your bank account, it can take up to 3 business days. If you use the Acorn debit card, it will take 1 to 2 business days. If you use the Express Withdrawal feature, it will take 24 hours. What are the fees associated with getting your money out of Acorn? There are no fees associated with getting your money out of Acorn. However, if you use the Express Withdrawal feature, you will be charged a fee of $1. Conclusion. I hope this video has helped you learn how to get your money out of Acorn. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Call to action. If you're looking for a great way to save money, I highly recommend Acorn. It's a simple and effective app that can help you reach your financial goals. Thanks for watching. Additional tips. If you're planning to withdraw a large amount of money from Acorn, it's best to do it in advance. This will help avoid any delays. If you have any questions about getting your money out of Acorn, you can contact Acorn customer support. End script. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.